Nothing easy. We've tried to liberate the people of the world, and I don't know.
Freedom.
DonnaMotion.com.
Shatter.
Divina, suka bengo no mo yo man, wasi afo afo yangele pa bote dan, ambo te chachu ho, anu toke chachu ho, anu toke chachu ho.
Hi guys, hi my divas. Yeah, welcome to Divani here. Yes, it's your girl Danny. You are in the channel Divani here channel. Okay, today coming, as you can see, the beginning, the tonight. This girl there us crochet box bride. Okay, I'm in love with this crochet bride, girls. I'm in love. This crochet bride is from a store here in AliExpress. I will leave directly of the hair down below. You have it in black 27, ombre 27, red ombre 27. This is, I don't know if it's red, if it's burgundy, but I think it's red. So it's 1B slash burgundy or red, I don't know, but the color is cute, it's nice. You have many colors. I will leave directly the link down below for you to go and check it out. It's very affordable and it comes very well. The hair don't have no smell. I just install it. So it's from a strand here. Okay, I will leave you with this video, and yeah, bye. Don't forget to subscribe to the red button, click the bell, click this bell down below, comment, tell me your honest opinion how it look on me. I think I look cute. Hey, comment down below and tell me how you think this look on me. Give me this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget, good hair is speak more louder than words. But say, my hair is speaking for me. Okay, what you saying, Bugs Wife? What you saying? You look cute. I know. Okay, bye. Bye. I see you in my next video. Yeah, the contact lenses. The contact lenses, they are from colorcl.com. You have many colors. I will leave the links down below. This is Cherry from the Herry Blossom collection. Yes, yeah, you have it for $15, but if you use my discount code JK10, you will have it for $13.